Hey, what's up crypto enthusiasts? Welcome back to a brand new exciting video where we dive into the intricacies of promotion and advertising your crypto project. In today's discussion, we will explore the dynamic world of DxAds from DxSale's and how it can be a game changer for your project's visibility, user attraction, credibility, and fundraising efforts. In highly competitive realm of crypto projects, effective advertising plays a pivotal role in community building and overall project success. Advertisements serve as the primary tool for driving visibility, attracting potential users, establishing credibility, and aiding in fundraising endeavors. As we venture deeper into the world of DxAds, you will discover how this platform can be a catalyst for propelling your project to new heights. DxAds simplifies the process of creating eye-tracking ad banners that can be displayed across the DxApp platform. To get started, navigate to the DxApp page, click on My Dx, then select My Promotions, and then process to Book Ad. Here you can have option to choose between the smaller regular banner or the larger premium banner, the latter being a slightly more expensive but potentially more impactful choice. When booking your ad, select the start time within a duration of 24 hours from the current time. Payments is calculated based on the total duration, the chosen end time, and a BNB per hour rate. A notable advantage of DxAds is the ability to make payments with cryptocurrency BNB, setting it apart from traditional means like Google AdSense, for example. One standout feature of DxAds is its immunity to ad blockers on the DxSale's platform. This ensures that your ads will not be hidden. DxSale's goes beyond just providing a platform for ads. It boasts an extensive network of partners that amplify the reach of your advertisements. This expanded network ensures increased visibility, reaching potential users and investors beyond the confines of the DxSale's platform. DxAds offer 24/7 support. Whether you are a seasoned advertiser or newcomer exploring the world of crypto project promotion, assistance is readily available if needed. This commitment to customer support ensures that you navigate the platform with confidence, maximizing the impact of your ad campaigns. As we wrap up this insightful video, I hope you gained a comprehensive understanding of how DxAds from DxSale's can be a game-changer tool for advertising your crypto project, from creating compelling banners to overcoming ad blockers and leveraging an extensive network. So this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in next video.